Why did you not record anything while we were in town?
Because I forget, and it will just be a hot mess of Jason changing his mind 18 times. Oh no, I don't know.
Did we end up with what we expected to get when we went to town?
No, kind of. Oh, I mean, we got something, but
yeah, but did we get anything resembling what we were expecting to get?
I don't know, because I don't think we had expectations.
Well,
that's the truth. We went and.
But you know what? One thing that you could always confirm or always expect out of off-grid Jay and Jen is we got a good deal, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
we're not going to tell you what we paid. You're going to guess.
Yeah.
You guys are going to tell you at the very, very, very end of the video. So yeah, stay tuned.
So we're talking about kitchenette stuff for the mini cabin. So we wanted to keep it on a budget. We've been spending money on the mini cabin and not, we haven't spent a lot of money, but we've been not as budget friendly as you could have been if we shopped a little harder, I guess. And time was no obstacle. But now we got a whole truckload of stuff that we can fiddle with, or I can fiddle with tonight while Jen goes and views deer. So let's check it out. What do you puppies think? Do you guys like what we got?
Good. Grace didn't get us anything, so.
We didn't even get out of the car at town. This is such a scam. Such a ripoff. The brown dog's here too.
He's just waiting to go chase the squirrels.
So, all right, guys.
He's like watching you open the handle, like so intently. Okay, Dad's gonna open this handle, and then he opens the next handle.
Go get them, boys.
Go squirrel.
Go get them. Go get them, boys. Go get squirrels. Go get squirrels. Go get them.
Where's the squirrel? Come on, go find the squirrel. Go get the squirrel. Or go get your brother. There you go. It's cold out now, guys.
It's no longer summer or
warm fall.
Yeah, it's no longer warm fall. It's 35 degrees out.
It's cold fall.
So let's get situated here. Are we gonna show them right now?
I'll tell them what we got. Yeah.
No,
no, you can't see prices on anything.
Yeah, we'll take it out of the truck and show you in a few minutes. Let's go get situated here. All right, guys. We've got a lot of cool stuff that's happened here this last week or two, and I'm gonna hook our logger back up to our Sun Gold all-in-one inverter charger. We disconnected it because we had data issues where it was sucking up all our data, and now we have Starlink. We got that a few days ago. It's working awesome. So here's our logger. This has just a regular Ethernet type cord. They call it like an RS something. So we're going to plug this back into the Wi-Fi port. So guys, we're only getting like 100 watts out of each array. So we're only getting a couple hundred watts. But the sun's way over there and going down. I don't know what's on our solar panels. There's like this film on the solar panels. Can you see it? Almost looks like gasoline. Can you see that? So I don't know if that's hurting our intake or what. I just kind of figured they would clean off because our other panels, we didn't clean them in 3 years. Our other solar panels, the Renogy ones, the small 100 watters, I never cleaned them because the snow would get on them and we'd brush them off and they'd just clean. I don't know. I'm not super impressed with this, to be honest. So I don't know. Chemtrails, something in the sky, something in the water. I don't know. So I don't know. Maybe I'll take some Windex to it. Alright, I haven't even taken the ladder down yet from doing that because I might put some conduit from the wind turbine down. So sorry guys, we're just jumping all over the place. That's kind of what you have to do this time of year because can't dedicate an entire day to anything. So I'm going to start the buddy heater in the small mini cabin, so I could work on that tonight while Jen's out at the deer viewing station. Alright, heat this bad boy up. Alright, we'll let that heat the cabin up for a little bit while I fiddle fart out here. Alright guys, there's our new kitchen. These are from the Blue Store. Nice lady there. I think her name was Lamaya. She was a real nice woman, and she helped us find a good deal. We were looking at the pre-assembled oak, like generic cabinetry that you see at most big box stores. All that stuff would have cost us like $500 to $600 to get what we wanted, and this stuff was clearanced, and it was all like 60 to 75% off, or 50 to 75% offish. And I think we got like $200 into a bunch of stuff. Like, we bought a little bit of extra stuff, maybe even. So, yeah. I'm going to spend the evening here assembling this stuff. So if you want to hang out, we don't know exactly how we're going to configure all this stuff. But, like, we got more than what we were planning on getting. But it was very inexpensive stuff. So there's a $200 corner unit there, and it was $69, normally $200. So like I said, like 60-70% off. So hang out with me while I get this in the cabin, and I got a little bit of heat going in there, and gonna chill out and just get stuff assembled. So probably pull the side by side over here so I can have my tools close by. So guys, this is Project Source from Lowe's, the Blue Store. Just ready to assemble cabinets. There was a lot of people doing videos on stuff similar to this from a different company on YouTube. You know, like where you would get everything in a box. They were doing that like 4 or 5 years ago. I don't know if there's still companies that do that, but we got a great deal on all this stuff. So, like I said, less than $200 would be our whole kitchen. And then we'll probably have extra stuff because I just bought like 1 or 2 extra pieces because they were like inexpensive. So yeah. This big 60-inch sink base was $59, $60 for this thing. These other ones, this one was like 38, something like that. So we're gonna keep this one for sure. So I'm gonna install this one first. Alright guys, so I guess there was a misunderstanding and maybe I just didn't listen to the lady, but I thought this was like primered white. This is like wood colored. So hopefully it's not pressed board. If it's pressed board, I'm not going to be happy because I didn't want pressed board in here. Like fake cheap stuff, but it might be that way. So let's open it up. Natural wood color, so maybe this will look nice. Maybe this will look nice. We'll see. So that's real wood. That's the door. Alright everybody, I'm getting there. This is taking a lot longer than I was hoping. This took like 2 hours to put this one cabinet together. So the directions aren't that great. But anyway, we'll catch up with you tomorrow when I can work on this a little bit more. Alright, hopefully I'm pretty excited. This stuff doesn't look bad. It's got it's got popple wood faces. And the rest, I guess, is paintable. So we'll see. We'll see what we decide to do. We'll catch up with you guys tomorrow.